Chapter 7 Simple Linear Equation. You are well aware of algebraic expression. You know that any algebraic expression has some terms. These terms have constants and variables. Now let us move further. Assume that we have a situation we want to multiply a variable with 100 and then we have to add 20 to that result. Or we can write 100x plus 20. This is an algebraic expression. You have read these in chapter 6. We are dealing with algebraic expressions that have only one variable. Read another example. 4 upon 3x plus 36. Here 4 upon 3 and 36 are constants and the variable can be given any value of a real number. Therefore, algebraic expression in one variable may have one or more terms. They have only one variable which shows certain conditions of scientific, commercial or mathematical nature. We have read about algebraic expression in the previous class. Equation. Let us consider the following situations. Example, 6 subtracted from 1/3 of y gives 5. This can be written as 1 upon 3y minus 6 equals to 5. First equation. Example, p multiplied by itself is 6 less than 5 times the number q. This can be written as p square equals to 5q minus 6. Second statement. Example, 7 added to double of m gives 10. 2m plus 7 is equals to 10. Third statement. Example, the sum of number x and twice the number y is 20. This can be written as x plus 2y equals to 20. Fourth statement. Don't you think that the expressions shown in first, second, third and fourth are different from the ones that we had studied in class 6th? Yes, they have the equality sign. Moreover, there are a few terms, at least one, on the right side of equality. They all are equations. Definition of equation. A statement of equality that involves some variables is called equation. We can also call it algebraic expression. Examples, 4x squared plus 30 equals to 7. 4x plus 3 is equals to 7. 2pqr is equals to 7q plus 5p. 8 plus 4x plus 3y is equals to 120. Linear equation. It is an equation in which the maximum power of a variable is 1. Have a look at the given examples. A. 7x squared plus 8x is equals to 18. B. 5y3 plus 36 is equals to 112. C. 7q plus 88 is equals to 0. Out of these the examples, only equation C has a variable q whose power is 1. So, it is a linear equation. Other two are not linear equations. Further, note that if the variables are more than each one have to be considered independently to judge whether the algebraic expression is a linear equation or not. Example, 6x plus 9y is equals to 15z minus 4y. The power of x, y and z is 1 each. So, it is called a linear equation even if the number of different variables is 3. Facts to know. The value of any number or radical with exponent 0 is always 1. Example, x power 0 is equals to 1. Linear equation in one variable. It is an equation which has a. the equality sign, b. a single variable and c. only one as power 1 of that variable. These equations are also called simple equation. Example, 25 is equals to 18x plus 7x. 14y minus 7 is equals to 0. 6z plus 3z minus 81 is equals to 0. 15p plus 36 is equals to 12p. These all are linear equations in one variable. Example, 6x squared plus 7x plus 6 is equals to 0. This is not a linear equation because its highest power is not 1. Example, 5x squared plus 6y squared is equals to 118. This is not a linear equation as it has two variables and the maximum power of each variable is 2. Facts to know. The general equation of a linear equation in one variable is ax plus b is equals to 0. A is not equals to 0. Example 1. Write the following statement in the form of equations. A. Subtract 18 from 9 times a number r and you get 18. B. 1/6 of p subtracted from 35 and the result is -1. C. Add 100 to A and divide it by 4 to get 25. D. The sum of 3 times y is added to 8 and we get 38. Solution. A. 9 times a number r is equals to 9r. Subtract 18 from 9r is equals to 9r minus 18. So 9r minus 18 is equals to 18. B. 1/6 of p is equals to p upon 6. Subtracted from 35 is equals to 35 minus p upon 6. So 35 minus p upon 6 is equals to -1. C. Add 100 to A is equals to A plus 100 divided by 4 is equals to A plus 100 upon 4. So A plus 100 upon 4 is equals to 25. D. 3 times y is equals to 3y. 3y added to 8 is equals to 3y plus 8. So 3y plus 8 is equals to 38. Facts to know. The inequalities greater than and less than are not used to form equations. Example, 4x plus 17 is greater than to 0, not an equation. 15x plus 28 is equals to 0, equation. 22r plus 65 is less than 0, not an equation. Example 2. Write the following statements in the form of equation. A. 6 added to 1/4 of a number and gives 101. B. 5 added to 7 times y gives 102. C. 25 subtracted from y is 60. Solution. A. 1/4 of n is equals to n upon 4. Add 6 to 9. N upon 4 is equals to n upon 4 plus 6. So n upon 4 is equals to 6 is equals to 101. B. 7 times y is equals to 7y. Add 5 to 7y is equals to 7y plus 5. So 7y plus 5 is equals to 102. C. Subtract 25 from y is equals to y minus 25. So y minus 25 is equals to 60. Example 3. Check whether the value given in the bracket satisfies the given equation. A. 4m minus 3 equals to n. So m is equals to 6. B. 5r plus 3 is equals to 13. So r equals to 2. C. 10x plus 25 is equals to 135. So x equals to 11. D. 9a plus 1 is equals to 21. So a equals to 3. Solution. A. For m equals to 6, left hand side is equals to 4m minus 3 is equals to 4 into x minus 3 is equals to 24 minus 3 is equals to 21. Right hand side equals to 9. So left hand side is not equals to right hand side. So m is equals to 6 does not satisfy the equation. B. For r equals to 2, left hand side is equals to 5r plus 3 is equals to 5 into 2 plus 3 is equals to 10 plus 3 equals to 13. Right hand side equals to 13. So left hand side is equals to right hand side. Hence r equals to 2 satisfies the equation. C. For x equals to 11, left hand side is equals to 10x plus 25 is equals to 10 into 11 plus 25 is equals to 110 plus 25 is equals to 135. Right hand side is equals to 135. So left hand side is equals to right hand side. So x equals to 11 satisfies the equation. D. For a equals to 3, left hand side is equals to 19a plus 1 is equals to 19a plus 1 is equals to 20a plus 1 is equals to 20 into 3 plus 1 is equals to 60 plus 1 equals to 61. Right hand side is equals to 21. Left hand side is not equal to right hand side. Hence a is not equals to 3 does not satisfy the equation. Example 4. In a test, the highest mark obtained by a student is 4 times the lowest mark plus 23. The highest score is 120. Form an equation in one variable with the help of this data. Solution. The let lowest mark obtained by student is x. 4 times lowest mark equals to 4x. Add 23 is equals to 4x plus 23. As per the statement, the term 4x plus 23 is equal to the highest score. So 4x plus 23 is equals to 120. Exercise 7.1. Question 1. Write the following equation in the statement form. A. 6m plus 32 equals to 62. Solution. 32 added to 6 times m gives 62. B. 7 upon 8x plus 31 is equals to 120. Solution. 31 added to 7 upon 8 times x gives 120. C. T upon 2 minus 10 is equals to 103. Solution. 10 subtracted from half to t gives 103. D. 5L is equals to 125. Solution. 5 times L gives 125. E. D minus 30 is equals to minus 20. Solution. 30 subtracted from D gives minus 20. F. 5A plus 35 is equals to 0. Solution. 35 added to 5 times A gives 0. G. X upon 3 minus 4 is equals to 4. Solution. 4 subtracted from 1/3 x gives 4. H. 15 upon 16 q is equals to 225. Solution. 15 upon 16 times q gives 225. Question 2. From equations with the help of the following statement. A. In an isosceles triangle, the base angles are equal. The vertex angle is twice of the base angle. Form an equation for the sum of all angles. Take base angle as P. Solution. Angle P plus angle PE plus angle 2P is equals to 180 degree. B. A number is multiplied by 80 when 60 is added to it. The result becomes 365. Assuming the variable as t, form an equation with 0 on right hand side of equality. Solution. 80x plus 60 is equals to 365. C. A number is taken, its 1 upon 200 value is obtained. When 40 is added to it, the result is 1000. Form an equation with the help of this data. Assume the variable on your own. Solution. X upon 200 plus 40 is equals to 1000. D. 3 times of a number reduced by 100 gives 330. Solution. 3x minus 100 is equals to 330. E. Suzanne's father is thrice as old as Suzanne. After 12 years, he will be twice as old as his daughter. Make an equation with the help of this data. The present age of Suzanne is h years. Solution. 3h plus 12 is equals to 2 into h plus 12. Question 3. Check if the given values are the solutions of the respective equations. Equations. Value. Status. Solution. Not a solution. A. 2a plus 5 is equals to 8. A is equals to minus 1. Solution. B. 3r minus 2 is equals to 13. R equals to 5. Solution. C. 25x is equals to 625. X equals to 26. Not a solution. D. 17 upon t minus 1 is equals to 16. T is equals to 1 upon 2. Not a solution. Question 4. Answer the following questions in yes or no. A. Is equation x minus 3 is equals to 2 the same as equation 2 equals to 3 minus x? Solution. No. B. Is 5x upon 60 is equals to 12x? Solution. No. C. Do we get the same value of r from 36? R is equals to 180 and r upon 36 is equals to 1 upon 180. Solution. No. Solution of linear equation in one variable. The solution of an algebraic equation is also known as root of the equation. The root of an algebraic equation is the value of the variable that satisfies the equation. We can start from a simple example. Let x plus 19 equals to 20. First statement. X is equals to 20 minus 19 is equals to 1. If we put x in one equation, we get left hand side is equals to x plus 19 is equals to 1 plus 19 is equals to 20. Right hand side, hence x equals to 1 is the solution or root of the equation given to us. We solved it with the help of the method of transposition. Method of solving linear equation in one variable. Hit and trial method. In this method, we guess a number which may satisfy the given equation. Example 5. If 60 is equals to 96, find the value of t. Solution. We think of a number in a place of t so that its multiplication with 6 gives us 96. The guesswork starts as per your convenience. You can start from t is equals to 2 also, but it would take long time that way, so start from t is equals to 11. 6 into 11 is equals to 66. 6 into 12 is equals to 72. 6 into 13 is equals to 78, and so on. 6 into 16 is equals to 96. So t is equals to 16. This method is no longer followed. Transposition. It is the most commonly used method for solving linear equations. The meaning of transpose is to change the side of the number. When we do transposing, the following changes are not to be made. A. Minus becomes plus on changing the side. B. Plus becomes minus on changing the side. C. Divide makes multiply on changing the side. D. Multiply becomes divide on changing the side. Example 6. Solved by transposition. X upon 2 minus 5 is equals to 2. Solution. Let us take minus 5 to right hand side of equality. Thus we have x upon 2 is equals to 2 minus minus 5. Minus 5 is subtracted. X upon 2 is equals to 2 plus 5 is equals to 7. Now let us take 2 to the other side of equality. X equals to 7 into 2. 2 is multiplied. X equals to 14 is the solution. Facts to know. Changing the side means we are going to either side of the equality sign. Left to right or right to left. Verification. We have x upon 2 minus 5 is equals to 2. First statement. Puts x equals to 14 in equation 1, we get left hand side is equals to 14 upon 2 minus 5 is equals to 7 minus 5 is equals to 2 is equals to right hand side, which is true. Hence, x equals to 14 is the solution of the equation. X upon 2 minus 5 equals to 2. Facts to know. Once a term is transferred from right hand side of equation to its left hand side, it is no longer in right hand side. Balancing an equation. In this method, we use the concept that left hand side and right hand side of an algebraic equation are always equal to each other. If left hand side seems to be right less than left hand side, it means some weight must be added to it in the unknown variable to balance both sides. The rule to be followed in this method are as follows. A. The same quantity can be added to both the sides of an equation without changing the equality. B. The same quantity can be subtracted from both the sides of an equation without changing the equality. C. The same quantity can be multiplied to both sides of an equation without changing the equality. D. Both sides of an equation can be divided by the same quantity without changing the equality. Example 7. Solve the following equation with the method of balancing the equation. X plus 1 upon 3 equals to 2. Solution. We have to eliminate 1 and 3 from left hand side in this equation. First of all, let us remove 3 from left hand side. Multiplying both sides by 3, we get x plus 1 upon 3 into 3 is equals to 2 into 3. X plus 1 equals to 2 into 3. X plus 1 equals to 6. Now subtract 1 from left hand side. Naturally, we have to subtract 1 from right hand side as well. We get x plus 1 minus 1 is equals to 6 minus 1. X equals to 5. Hence, x equals to 5 is the solution of the given equation. If the method to be used to solve an equation is not mentioned, you can use any one of the 3 methods explained in this chapter. Exercise 7.2. Question 1. 3 times a certain number increased by 26 gives 227. Find out the number. Solution. 67. Question 2. The difference of two angles of a triangle is 39.8 Celsius. The sum of the same angles equals 89.2 degree. Find the measure of all angles of this triangle. Solution. 64.5 degree, 24.7 degree and 90.8 degree. Question 3. Seema's age is 2/3 of Rima's age. If 7 years from now, Rima will be 6 years older than Seema. What is the present age of Seema and Rima? Solution. Seema's age equals to 18 years. Rima's age is equals to 12 years. Question 4. Abraham has 5 times money as that of Jonathan. After giving rupees 25 to Jonathan, Abraham has double the money Jonathan has now. How much money did Abraham have in the beginning? Solution: rupees 125. Question 5. The denominator of a common fraction exceeds the numerator by 10. If 8 is added to the numerator and denominator, the new fraction obtained is 5 upon 6. Find the original fraction. Solution: 42 upon 52. Question 6. Some equations have been given below. Check whether the value given in the brackets is a solution for the equation or not. A. 4m minus 3 equals to 8. M equals to 3. Solution: no. B. 2x plus 18 is equals to 38. X equals to 11. Solution: no. C. 3x plus 10 is equals to 10 upon 7. Solution: yes. D. 12y plus 12 upon 12 is equals to 1. Y equals to 20. Solution: yes. Question 7. Write the following equations in the statement form. A. 6x equals to 139. Solution: 6 times of x gives 139. B. 17x plus 21 upon 121 is equals to 87. Solution: a number x is multiplied by 7 and 21 is added to it. This entire term is divided by 121. We get 87. C. 5r minus 108 is equals to 12. Solution: 108 subtracted from 5 times of gives 12. D. L upon 8 minus 25 equals to 75. Solution: 25 is subtracted from a number L gives 75. E. 87p plus 100 equals to 13. Solution: a number p is multiplied by 87 and 100 is added to it. The result is 13. F. A upon 6 plus 7 into 3 equals to 3. Solution: 7 is added to 1/6 of a number. This entire term is multiplied by 3. We get 3. Question 8. Solve for x. X minus 5 equals to 3. Verify your answers also. Solution: 8. Question 9. Solve for x. 2x upon 3 minus x upon 6 is equals to 1 upon 2. Verify your answer also. Solution: 1. Question 10. Find the value of z by the method of balancing the equation. 2 upon 3, z minus 4 equals to 6. Solution: 13. Question 11. Solve for p. Verify the solution also. P minus 5 upon 10 minus 2 into p minus 3 upon 5 is equals to 3 into p minus 4 upon 15. Solution: 3. Question 12. The sum of 3 consecutive numbers is 54. Find out the numbers. Solution: 17, 18, 19. Question 13. Fill in the blanks. A. An equation having only one variable and only one power of that value is called a dash equation. B. When a term is transposed to the either side of the equality sign, its sign is dash. C. If the double of a number is 106, the number is dash. D. If is equals to 3, then the value of x is dash. Points to remember. An equation is a statement of equality involving variable and constants. The equality sign is a must in every algebraic equations. Equations contain algebraic expressions. A linear equation in one variable is an equation in which only one variable is used and the maximum power of the variable is 1. The value of the variable that satisfies the equation is called solution of the equation. A linear equation in one variable has only one solution. We can solve linear equations through 3 methods: hidden trial, transposition, and balancing the equation. In the method of transposition, the terms can be taken to either side of the equality sign. If we do so, plus becomes minus, minus becomes plus, multiply becomes divide, and divide became multiply. The terms are processed according to their new signs in the method of transposition. In the method of balancing the equation, some process is done on both the equality sign. After calculating the value of the unknown variable, we must verify the solution by putting the value of variable in the equation designed by us or in the one given to us. The verification of answer is a must in all questions involving linear equations. Exercise Question 1. Multiple choice question MCQs. Tick the correct options. A. X, Y, Z, P, Q, R, etc. are called dash in algebraic equation. First, consonants. Second, powers. Third, radicals. Fourth, none of these. Solution. Fourth, none of these. B. All linear equations have the variable whose power is first, 2, second, 3, third, 1, fourth cannot be determined. Solution. Third, 1. See, in an isosceles triangle, the base angles are equal. The vertex angle is 40 degree. What is the measure of base angles? First, 40 degree. Second, 80 degree. Third, 60 degree. Fourth, 70 degree. Solution. Fourth, 70 degree. D. In the method of balancing the equation, if we divide left hand side by 21, what we would do the following on right hand side. First, multiply right hand side by 21. Second, divide right hand side by 42. Third, divide right hand side by 21. Fourth, any one of these. Solution. Third, divide right hand side by 21. E. The difference of two angles of a triangle is 21 degree. The sum of these angles is 105 degree. The angles have the following measure. First, 53 degree, 50 degree, 77 degree. Second, 60 degree, 60 degree, 60 degree. Third, 42 degree, 63 degree, 75 degree. Fourth, none of these. Solution. Third, 42 degree, 63 degree, 75 degree. F. In the process of the verification of solution, which of the following is essentially true? First, right hand side is non-zero. Second, left hand side is non-zero. Third, left hand side is not equal to right hand side. Fourth, left hand side is equals to right hand side. Solution. Fourth, left hand side is equals to right hand side. G. A is 3 years older to B. 5 years ago, 3/5 of A's age was equal to the 3/4 of the age of B. What is the age in years of A and B now? First, A 17, B 20. Second, A 20, B 17. Third, A 28, B 25. Fourth, A 25, B 28. Solution. Second, A 20, B 17. H. The number 80 is to be divided in such a manner that the bigger part is 4 times the smaller one. The numbers are first, 60, 20. Second, 68, 17. Third, 64, 16. Fourth, 60, 20. Solution. Third, 64, 16. First, the sum of 3 consecutive natural numbers is 75. The numbers are first, 18, 19, 20. Second, 23, 24, 25. Third, 24, 25, 26. Fourth, 25, 26, 27. Solution. Third, 24, 25, 26. J. In the algebraic equation, s upon 3 equals to 5. The value of s is first, 6, second, 12, third, 18, fourth, 15. Solution. Fourth, 15. Question 2. Write the following equations in the statement form. A. 7p plus 111 is equals to 201. Solution. 111 added to 7 times p gives 201. B. Minus 12 equals to 0. A number of by subtracted 12 gives 20. C. 5x plus 10 equals to 15. Solution. 10 added to 5 times of x gives 15. D. X plus 7 upon 3 plus 2 equals to 10. Solution: 7 is added to x, then divided by 3 and 2 more is added equal to the 10. Question 3. Solve for x. A. X minus 1 upon 3 plus x plus 1 upon 2 plus x plus 7 upon 2 equals to 1. Solution: x equals to minus 2. B. 0.6 x equals to 34 minus 0.46 plus 14. Solution: x equals to 48. C. X minus 2 upon x plus 1 equals to 3 upon 4. Solution: x equals to 11. D. 3 into x minus 4 upon 15 equals to x minus 5 upon 10 minus 2 into x minus 3 upon 5. Solution: x equals to 3. E. 2x upon 3 minus x upon 6 equals to 1 upon 2. Solution: x equals to 1. Question 4. Romi's father is 49 years of age. Her father is 24 years older than her. What is the present age of Romi? Solution: present age of Romi is 25 years. Question 5. Rashmi thinks of a number. If she takes away 7 from 5 upon 2 of that number, she gets 8. What is the original number? Solution: 6. Question 6. Construct 3 linear equations with the following equations. A. P equals to minus 11 upon 2. Solution: 2p plus 11 equals to 0. 4p plus 22 equals to 0. 6p plus 33 equals to 0. B. 7x equals to 18. Solution: 7x minus 18 equals to 0. 14x minus 36 equals to 0. 21x minus 54 equals to 0. C. 14y equals to 84. Solution: 14y minus 84 equals to 0. 7y minus 42 equals to 0. 2y minus 12 equals to 0. D. 72l plus 11 equals to 102. Solution: 72l minus 91 equals to 0. 144l minus 182 equals to 0. 216l minus 273 equals to 0. Question 7. When you multiply a number by 6 and subtract 5 from the product, you get 7. What is the number? Solution: 2. Question 8. Find the two numbers whose difference is 18 and the ratio of the larger number to smaller one is 5:4. Solution: 90 and 72. Question 9. Think of a number. Add 13 to it and divide the sum by 5. You get 6. What is the number? Solution: 17. Question 10. Think of a variable. Now multiply it by 2 and deduct 17 from it. This difference is multiplied by 6 and the result is 126. What is the value of the variable? Solution: 19. Hearts. If one side of a square is represented by 4x minus 7, then the adjacent side is represented by 3x plus 5. Find the value of x. Lab activity. Objective: to understand simple linear equation. Materials required: colored pen. Procedure: in the chart given below, fill up the rightmost column with the explanation of what is happening in the middle column. Do not miss any column. Serial number. Algebraic process. What is happening? First, 19x minus 50 upon 18 equals to 50. Second, 19x minus 50 upon 18 into 18 is equals to 50 upon 80. Third, 19x minus 50 is equals to 50 into 18. Fourth, 19x minus 50 equals to 900. Fifth, 19x minus 50 plus 50 equals to 900 plus 50. Sixth, 19x minus 900 plus 50. Seventh, 19x equals to 950. Eighth, 19x into 1 upon 19 is equals to 950 into 1 upon 19. Ninth, x equals to 950 upon 19. 10th, x equals to 50.